Hey everybody, this is Andy Johnson over at the Andy Johnson Group. I'm super excited. Thank you for joining me. Listen, there are service experts that you need to know, and the service expert I have with me today is Zack from BG American Plumbing. If you don't have a great plumber, you need one, and this guy is it. Zack, tell everybody why you're the plumber to know.
Andy, thank you for having me here. Why you need to have a good plumber. It can prevent leaks, it can prevent potential catastrophes, and good to have maintenance done on your home. Why we're a good company to have us. We're father and son. We've been open since 2006. We know what we're talking about. No job is too big or too small. You got a toilet you need looked at, a water heater replacement, a renovation done in your home, even in a commercial property. Give us a call. We want to be there to help you out.
I've actually used Zack personally a couple of different times, folks, and you got to go with them. They know what they're doing. There's so many companies, as we all know in South Florida, electricians, contractors, plumbers, that come out and sell you on a bunch of stuff you don't know. Zack and I are actually at one of my clients' house right now, and the test that he put this property through to make sure of the work that needed to be done rather than just cutting into the walls is saving my client money right now today. This is a real thing that's happening in real time, and this is the stuff you guys always do, isn't it?
Absolutely, Andy. If we don't have to cut into your drywall or your walls in general, we don't want to do it. We don't want to cause a bigger job than it already may be. So if we can save the homeowner money, we absolutely will, because we know, hey, I saved you some money, you're going to call me back down the line. That's what it's about.
Awesome. And Zack told me he'd tell you 2 small things that you guys can do to avoid needing him, or at least reducing your cost if something happens and you do need him. What are those 2 things, Zack?
Absolutely. So if you guys are ever getting a new water heater installed, what you want, and if it's us, if it's another plumbing company, ask for this. It's $10. A water heater drip pan. It's what sits on the bottom of your water heater. Eventually, down the line, let's say 10, 12 years, when your water heater does blow, this drip pan is going to keep that water contained inside. It's not going to go all over your home. If you're in a condo, definitely a necessity, because if you're in a condo and you're on the 2nd, 3rd, 4th floor, if that water heater pops and it starts leaking downstairs, now you have to cover the renovation for the people downstairs.
Yeah.
So you definitely want, it's a simple $10 solution. Get it. It's great to have.
Cool.
Another great thing you definitely should do, if you're going out of your home for a long period of time, say 1 week, even a weekend, shut your main water off to your home. I can't tell you how many renovations we've done because they don't cut their water off. It's Murphy's Law. You get a pipe burst right then and there. They come home after the weekend, after the week, after the month. The home is destroyed. They have to renovate the entire home. Could have been prevented by just closing the valve. That's it.
Geez.
So definitely get that done.
Yeah. All right. Well, there you go, folks. There's Zack. Listen, we've got their information below. You need to save this in your phone now as plumbers, so when something goes wrong, and we all know it eventually will, you know how to call. Thanks for watching the video today, and make sure to give Zack a call whenever you need help plumbing. Thanks.